Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. The previous class we have seen the repel, poem and the extract. Have you completed in your English note? Hope you done that. So I already gave you homework to you to read lesson 2 in your supplementary reader book. The topic of the lesson, bringing up curry. Can you remember? Have you read in your home? So in this class we are going to discuss the lesson 2, bringing up curry. Let's go. Dear students, can you see the picture? Can you identify the relation between the picture and the story? Yes, of course it is a baby elephant. So in this topic, bringing up curry, here the curry is a baby elephant. Okay. In the story, the curry was a 5-month-old elephant. So the narrator told the story about how he made a friend of and baby elephant. Okay. Now we can go to the story. In the story, it is written by Dan Gopal Mukherjee. Okay. So now take a textbook and be ready. Lesson 2. Take a textbook. Bringing up curry. Before we can see, they given some introduction about the story. So what are they? I'm going to read. Listen it. Curry, a 5-month-old baby elephant, lives and grows up with his 9-year-old friend and keeper. It means the 9-year-old friend, it is a central character. He took care of him. So he is also a keeper. He is a narrator of the story. Curry does not eat much, just about 16 kilograms per day. Okay. Then the characteristics the author given by, it is a playful and sensitive, and he saves a boy from drowning. Okay. Now I am going to read the story. Listen. Curry the elephant was 5 months old when he was given to me. Take care of. It means the author going to tell the story. So when he was 9 years old only, Curry came to him. I was 9 years old and could reach his back if I stood on the tiptoe. He seemed to remain that height for nearly 2 years. When grew together, that is probably why I never found that just how tall he was. It means he was too short, so he can't stand by the elephant. Okay. He lived in a pavilion under the thatched roof with a restaurant on thick tree stumps so that it could not fall when Curry bumped against the poles as he moved out. It means when the other was 9 years old only, he took care of him. Both grew together. Curry grew tall earlier than the boy. He lived in a shed with a straw roof. Okay. And one of the first thing Curry did was save the life of the boy. So one day, Curry did not eat much, but he nevertheless needed a 40 pounds to fix a day, chew and play with. Every day I used to take him to the river in the morning for his bath. So the author, how the elephant, the Curry saved his life, he trying to tell in this paragraph. He would lie down on the sandbank while I rubbed him and the clean sand of water for an hour. After that, he would lie in the water for a long time. On coming of his skin would be shining like e pony. It means one day the Curry take care of him to the river for bath. So in the time, every morning they are going to river. Okay. The narrator rubbed the body with the ash sand for an hour. So Curry loved to roll in the water for a long time. This is given in this paragraph. Take next page. Take page number 8. Then I would take him by the ear because that is the easiest way to lead an elephant and leave him on the edge of the jungle while I went to the forest to get some luscious sticks for his dinner. So the how the narrator dealt an elephant given in this paragraph. So given the food for the elephant is not an easy job. So you know very well. So the same like the author shares the experience how he got the food for him. It is given in this passage. One has to have a very sharp hatchet To cut down these twigs, it takes half an hour to sharpen the hatchet because if your twig is multi-headed, an elephant will not touch it. So that's why it is very hard to sharpen it. Okay, and very hard. Of course, it is very tough also. It was a not a easy job to get twigs and saplings for curry. I had to climb all the kind of trees to get the most delicate and tender twigs because the curry is very tasty elephant. So very tasty leaves only it was eaten. Okay, as he was very fond of the young branches of banyan tree, which grows like a castle of leaves and branches. So he loved very much a banyan tree. I was gathering some one spring day in March when I suddenly hear Curry calling to me in the distance. So on the time, one day in spring day in March, they both went to the forest. On the time, suddenly he heard the voice of Curry from the distant place. As he was still very young, the call was more like that of a baby than an elephant. So the author was totally shocked. So because why the Curry uh, made a noise, he don't know. So what happened, we can see in the next paragraph. Take page number 9. I thought somebody was hurting him, so I came down from my tree and ran very fast to the edge of the forest where I had left him, but he was not there. So suddenly the author heard the noise from the curry, but he searching here and there, but no curry in that place. I looked all over, but I could not find him. So he felt very upset. I went to near the edge of the water and I saw a black something struggling above its surface. So now the author saw an elephant in the river. So then it rose higher and it was a trunk of my elephant. So now he found it was his elephant. It means it is a curry. I thought he was drowning. I was helpless because I could not jump into the water and save the 400 pounds of him since he was much higher than I. So the situation is really helpless because the author is just a 9-year-old boy, so he could not carry an elephant from the water. So, but I saw his black rays above the water, and the moment he caught my eye, he began to trumpet and struggle up the shore, then still trumpeting. He pushed me into the water, and as I fell into the stream, I saw a boy lying flat on the bottom of the river. So now only the author found one boy is drowning in the water. So the curry want to save him. That's why given the sound. So now the author felt very happy for his helping mind. He had not altogether touched bottom, but was somewhat afloat. I came to the surface to the water and take my breath, and the curry was standing. His feet planted in the sandbank and his trunk stretched out like a hand waiting for mine. I dived down again and pulled the body of the drowning boy to the surface, but not being a good swimmer, I could not swim ashore. So, slow current was already dragging me down. Seeing us drift in the current, Curry, who was usually slow and panterish, suddenly darted down like a hawk and came halfway into the water where I was him struck out his trunk again. I raised up my hand to the catch it and slipped. So I found myself going under the water again. So in the time, the curry also, he felt helpless, and Curry pushed him to the water to save the boy. Curry also stood firmly on the bank of the river. He saw a narrator being carried away by the current. He rushed into the water and spread out his tongue around the boy's neck. He then pulled them both to the bank and saved both. So it is totally very surprised to the author, and the incident can't forget in his life. Take page number 12. That instant, the trunk looked like a black snake, and I realized that the curry was the thief. Now the author found who was the thief. Yes, the curry, an elephant. I went to him, I pulled him out by the ear and joyously saw my parents that it was curry, not I, that had eaten all the fruit these many weeks. Then I scolded him, for elephants understood the words as well as the children. And I said to him, next time I see if you are stealing the fruit, you will be wiped. It means, so the author is totally disappointed. Now he realized it was, yeah, thief. Okay, then the author show the curry to his parents and scolded him. Next time I see if you are stealing the fruit, you will be wiped. So he given the punishment. He know that he were all angry with him, even the servants. His pride was so injured that he never stole another thing from the dining room. And from then, if anyone gave him any fruit, he always told us if you to thank them. An elephant is willing to be punished for having done wrong, but if you punish him without any reason, he will remember it and pay you back in your own coin. So it means really, even in your life also, if any children, if it is a baby, they done any mistake, suddenly it should be corrected, otherwise again and again they are going to do the same mistake. The same way the author given the punishment and scold to the elephant. Again he was changed his mindset. He never stole any fruit from others after the incident. Curry is a fast learner. He masters all the signals and sounds he is taught. Then there is one lesson though, then elephant take 5 years to learn. Curry is no expectation. So next part, the given by the author about the another one incident. An elephant must be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast, and when to go slow. You teach him these things as you teach a child. So how the child going to be trained by the mother? The same like the author given the training to the curry for the sit, stand, and walk for all the things. If you say that dot and pull him by ear, he will gradually learn to sit down. Similarly, if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, he will gradually learn the things and the signal to walk. So, what are the signals given by the author? It is very much noted and very fastly given the response by the Curry to the author. Curry learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took him 3 weeks to learn Dot. So he easily learned Mali. Mali means what? To pull his tongue forward. But he is very later to learn only Dot. What is Dot? It is a pull him by the ear. He was no good at sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught it should be sit down? Because he grows taller and taller than you who take care of him. So when he is 2 or 3 years old, you can only reach his back with a ladder. So usually the elephants are training for sit, then only the keeper can save the elephant with normal height. Otherwise it is too difficult. That's why it is going to be trained for sitting. Okay. Page number 11. So the author told, so without my parents' permission, a long black thing, very much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. Now only he understood who stolen the banana. Who? Yeah, that is an elephant. I was very much frightened because I had never seen snakes eat bananas, and I thought it must be a terrible snake that would snake it to take fruit. I crept out of the room and with a great fear in my heart ran out the house, feeling sure that the snake would come back to the house, eat all the fruit and kill off us. So the first he thought it may be a snake to taken away the fruits from the window. As I went, I saw Curry back disappearing in the direction of the pavilion, and I was so frightened that I wanted to company to cheer me up. I ran after him into the pavilion. I found that there was eating bananas. I stood still, astonishment. The bananas were lying stone all around him. He stretched out his tongue and reached for one far away from where he was standing. So now only first he thought it may be a snake to came to the house and taken the bananas. It may be killed the author family. He thought in the childhood days, but he was totally shocked because the later only he realized who stolen all the ripe bananas. Yeah, it is an elephant.